First step, pag-aaloy ng dry ingredients.
Maglalagay tayo ng cold butter, tapos mag-add ng egg and water, tapos mix.
After mixing, we're going to wrap it with cling wrap, then let it cool for 30 minutes.
And now we're going to do the filling.
Sasama ang egg yolk and cornstarch, then i-mix. Pagkatapos natin i-mix, maglalagay tayo ng vanilla extract, condensed and evaporated milk, then mix.
Prepare natin yung tarts molds, tapos lalagyan natin ng taba para hindi dumikit yung dough.